Looking for the ultimate pickleball experience? The Diadem Pickleball Complex in South Florida has it all. With structured open play sessions 7 days a week for all skill levels, you'll always find the perfect game. Each court is limited to 6 players, so you get plenty of action without the wait. Gear up at the pro shop with top-notch paddles and apparel, then unwind at the bar with draft beer, food, and snacks. Want to improve your skills? Join group clinics or book one-on-one training with expert coaches. From recreational games to expert coaching, the Diadem Pickleball Complex is your go-to destination. Visit today.
Brought to you by Broward Pickleball Club. Sponsored by your trusted partner on and off the court, Pwayko Skybank, serving up your next real estate victory.